Hello everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Happy Sunday. It's me again, sweet lady. I just want to greet you this afternoon and check on you how you are doing. Hope you are fine. Please, if today is your first time of coming across this YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, I beg you. If you already subscribed before me, God bless you. If you are about to subscribe to also, may God bless you. Thank you. I love you guys. This afternoon, I'm going to talk about people outside there. They do say, enemy of progress. Yes, what is the meaning of enemy of progress? Some people then do believe that enemy of progress is maybe is only your family, that they are your enemy of progress. Some then do believe that maybe is your friend, the people that know you very well, is the enemy of progress. No. I want to let you know this afternoon that enemy of progress starts from even the person that don't even know you. Person that don't even know you, they don't know how you live your life, they don't know how you do your things, they don't know how you are, but maybe they just see you, they just start envying you. Look as they say, see as they be, you no even good, you no even do this one, you no even do that one. They'll start to dey envy you. Those are enemy of progress. Not the enemy of progress say e dey family, e dey friend, even dey the same mother, the same father. Na style na even come plenty pass, especially this social media thing. Na enemy of progress plenty pass. So even they no even care to know who you be. They never see you one day. They don't know how you take dey live your life. But they will just see you. Maybe you wear one kind cloth, maybe they like am, maybe they look and say they no fit avoid am. They'll start to dey gossip. Wetin she wear sef? Who she even think say she be sef? See how she be. See how she do this one. See how she do that one. No even good. No even do anything. See as him face be. See as he wowo. Those are enemy of progress wey we get. Some even dey o. They no know you. You no be their friend. Maybe they just come across to be your friend for Facebook or Instagram. Enemy don start. Enemy of progress. They go just dey hate you for nothing. You no do anything. Oh, they hate you. Some evil dey, they no come monitor you to look your picture, to comment, to embrace you, to look wetin you dey do. They just come dey monitor you. One of my brothers say agent monitors. They'll just come dey monitor you, anything wey you dey do. They'll say to dey criticize you, wetin dey do sef. They'll start to dey insult you. They no go ever one day say they come across you for YouTube or for this thing, make they like your picture, make they even comment, make they even know. They go just look am pass. They just dey monitor your life. They just dey monitor how you take dey live. I tell one of my friend one day, he call me say, sweet lady, you dey enjoy o. I just dey see you for Facebook. That's why I say come. As I dey here so chingba I no get. I no get anything. But you see, when people know say you no get, you open your body, you let them know say you no be anything, you no get anything. Now that time, they go start to dey enter your body. That time, they go start to dey do that evil thing wey they wan do follow you, where you no go take progress. But if they see you eat, you no eat o, you just dey look shy, you put pancake for face, you put earring, you don waka. They no go know you. They no go know you. They go wan know you. Who is this person sef? But they no go fit know you. E get one thing wey I put for Facebook one day. I just put am and say, God have blessed me today. Do you know what people start? Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Then one of my brother now called me, say, this one they are witching you congratulations. So, be like say you don't still newly buy this thing, no. Now I say yes. Shey you understand? Because they go native doctor, they follow you. They go afar, they go pastors, dey follow you say this person I no wan make it grow, I no wan make it become something, I no wan. But when see he get money he no wan help me, he no wan do this one, he no wan do that one. When they'll start to dey go, the native doctor go dey tell them say this person so you no get anything. You no go believe. You go say, hey, person wey I dey see every day, wey dey change cloth, dey wear fine thing, dey wear jewelries, dey wear marker, dey carry Italians bag, dey carry Gucci bag, dey carry Turkey bag, dey wear marker thing. How you come tell me say you no get? Shey you understand? But because he no know you, he no know how you take dey live, he no know how you take dey face your life. Shey you understand? He go make am, he go come dey follow you, he go dey follow you. When he don see say you don waka, he no see say you fall, you get anything bad name, he still dey see you say you dey shine, he go start to dey jealous you. Na that he go come close to you, he go come be your friend. Make two of una come dey rapport. He go come be your friend, he go come click himself near you. Say this person I wan near am, maybe go fit show me way. Whereas he no know say na packaging. He no know say na packaging. As he don try to know you, he no fit know you. He wan come enter you. He wan follow you enter inside house. He wan know you. He wan be your friend. He wan cling to your body. May he be your friend. May he follow you enter inside house. May he know as you take dey live. That kind of person no give am chance, because if you give am chance, I know they are difficult to know, but sometimes when you pray, God will open your eye to let you to know the ones that love you and the ones that hate you. Starting from like this now, maybe you put picture now for Instagram, or you put am for Facebook, or you am for WhatsApp. I be your friend, I see am, I ease pass. Come on, even to put like, I no fit put like. Then tomorrow you come call me, my beautiful friend, I dey see your posting, I dey see you for here, I dey see you for there, I just dey like you, I wan be your friend. Na lie. He wan come enter you, make you come know the kind person wey you be. You wan know how you take dey eat, you wan know how you take dey live your life, you wan know how you take dey move on. But if you no give am chance, he no go fit know you. I dey tell you this thing because yes, na wetin dey happen nowadays, na im be that. So then now you go just suffer, dey do your thing jeje. They go still wan know you. This person, some go even tell you say, sweet lady, na why for you person no even know your house sef. Person no even know where you dey stay sef. Since where I know you, I wan come your house. You no want make I come. I no want make you come because why? I no want make you come know me. I no want make you come clench your body join me. I no want make you come carry my thing wey I dey cover for inside, I go put for outside. If you know your way, not because. Shey you understand? Some people go talk say, I get 100 friends, no one dey even dey call me. E better make dem not call you. If 80%, if you get 80 people for friends, if na 10 na like you inside, satisfy with that 10 wey like you so. You see the 70 wey remain, leave them, make them dey shake their body dey go. Because why? That 10 wey like you so is a no for you. Now when you carry yourself past boundary, you come see yourself for where be say you no even expect am. You come see yourself for where be say you no even expect am. So for them to come dey laugh at you, come dey talk wetin their eye no see, come dey gossip you dey go, you better let them be. You better let them dey their own. You see enemy of progress. Maybe you dey do something good now for your family, they will start to dey envy you. They never call you since when you never start to dey do something. They never call you since when you don't start to dey do something good for your life. They'll start to dey call you. Obey, I hear say na you dey do that thing. You dey try this one na lie. They no dey hail you say because you dey do that thing. They just come monitor, come look your downfall, come look as you wan take cry tomorrow. They no publicly come say they wan come celebrate you. Na so some dey for your friend wey be say if you dey wear rag, maybe you no get anything, they know say you no get anything, na rag you dey wear, but dem go still dey envy you. The time when they go come see say maybe you don dey change 2-3 cloth, they go come start to dey call you, I see you see as you dey shine. The time wey I dey wear rag, you see me. The time where I wear rag, you celebrate me. The time where I wear rag, you look my face. Now I can't get 2 cloth to take change now. You won't come dey celebrate me. Friend wey no know me the time where I dey suffer, may no know me the time where I reach. Know me when I poor, not when I rich. Friend wey no follow me eat garri the time where I dey hungry, no come follow me eat my fried rice. Shey you understand? Brothers, sisters wey dem no know me the time where I dey hungry, where I dey carry pure water, no come follow me chop my fried rice. I dey talk all those things. I know say who the thing dey pay go dey pay. Who go learn, because why? We are not prophets. We are all learning. We dey learn every day for this country where we find ourselves. So sometimes I get something wey go just do me for here now. I'll just sit down, I go think. I go dey reason myself. Once I don put music like this, I don still forget. I go still say, God, I thank you. I wake up this morning, I never bath, I never brush teeth, I never even do anything. I just enter live video, start to dey praise God. And then now people dey look and say, most of people wey come watch, I know wetin dey there. I say as e be, see as im face be, see as e wowo, see as e do this one, see as e do that one. Because that time I dey praise God. I don wake up for bed, I no fit go church today, so I wan make people come join me celebrate God. And I make me do that in that morning. You know, see. But if it na the time wey be say you wear fine clothes for body, you make up, you carry all your banana wey God give you, all your potato, you carry am come outside, you see all of them dey come. They wan know wetin you dey do, they wan know how you take dey live, they wan know how you take fine read, they wan know how you take dey talk. All those one go na be enemy of progress. Enemy of progress still dey. If you dey do something, if they see and say that thing wey you dey do so, you go from there get up for your life, you go from there become somebody, they'll start to dey discourage you. That thing wey you just dey do so, I no just like am. I no just like that thing wey you dey do so. Why you go dey do that kind thing? That thing no just good for you at all. Na lie o. Because why? Then they no get opportunity to do that thing. If they get opportunity to do that thing, they go even do am pass the way you take dey do am so. You see me, I be person wey be say I no get o, but the little one wey I get, I dey appreciate and I still dey thank God. I know say the more I dey thank God, He ready to bless me pass that little one wey I don get. As I dey so, if I see say you be my friend or you be my sister, you wear something for body, me, sweet lady, I see that thing for your body, I like am. If you be my friend, me and you dey talk, I get your number, I will call you. My beautiful sister, this thing wey you wear today, I like am. How you fit help me get am? May I send money for you, may you help me buy am, or you go help me buy am. Shey you understand? I no be person wey be say I will see something for my friend body, I come dey say, wetin you wear? I like that thing. I dey trip for that thing. Wetin you even wear sef? Wetin you carry for body? E no good. Make we stop am. Because why? We dey kill ourselves. You see that time wey you take dey jealousy person wey dey do im own dey go. You leave your own problem o. E dey rust dey go. But if you see person wey dey do im own something dey go jejeje, you dey sell. If you no fit celebrate am, leave am make e dey on im own na. They no dey force one fit tipa shey. They no force you say make you come celebrate am, that person. But if you see say maybe that person dey doing something, you dey celebrate am, you like am. That time wey you take dey celebrate am so, because God know say you want that thing, He go just easily do am for you, kpam, when you no even expect am. But if you sit down there dey heavy am, wetin dey do sef? Whereas you like that thing, you no go get that thing. So make we stop to dey heavy ourselves. Make we stop to dey do all those kind things wey be say we dey do wey no dey make us dey grow. If you see person dey do something, if you like that thing, celebrate am immediately. If you no still like am, I just come this afternoon, me I come wish una happy Sunday. How una dey? Hope una dey fine. How una enjoy una day? Tomorrow na working day o. God go always dey protect us. God go always dey lead us in anything wey we dey do for life. God go always dey lead us. I just say may I greet una o. May I still use this opportunity to say happy Sunday to my beautiful one outside there. God bless you. I love you all. I just want to tell you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. May God bless you. May God remember you, whatever you are doing in life. I love you. Bye bye.